Health officials have confirmed at least one fentanyl overdose in a local school, possibly from a vape or a piece of candy that was laced. We don't know any other details surrounding the incident, but the health department believes there are more cases that have gone unreported. KLBK's Elizabeth Fitz spoke with a few people who are trying to lessen the impact of hard drugs in our community.
Terry, I was shocked to learn from the health department that kids as young as 8 here are starting to use substances. And that's why health officials are urging parents to have open and honest conversations with their children about the dangers.
The age of onset, which determines the likelihood of somebody having addiction issues in the future and struggling, it is really low in West Texas. So there's some studies that show that we have youth starting to use substances at 8 years old here. And then we have a pretty high number who started at about 13. So that's why we see more long-term results as well, or consequences as well.
With a nationwide rise in fentanyl usage and overdoses now creeping into our local schools, the City of Lubbock Health Department is urging parents to address the matter with their children.
They could become addicted to nicotine. They could, potentially start vaping THC just so much easier. And then now we're seeing the potential of that being laced with fentanyl as well. And so I really think that's a place that you need to have conversations with youth and talk to them about the realities of it. Like, it's not just something you're doing to fit in with your friends, but it's something that could potentially be dangerous in the short term and definitely in the long term.
I think that a lot of times parents can come at it saying, you might be doing this, instead of just saying, hey, can we talk about issues? Are there things that you see in your school and your peer population, and really just kind of go from that angle.
And if you have no idea where to start, the health department has a group called HERD, which stands for Helping Every Adolescent Reach Their Dreams. It focuses on prevention and education so that young people don't fall into lifelong addictions.
We actually have a HERD Facebook page, and so they can go to that as well and find a little bit of information, and there's also a website. So they can find that through the health department's website, and it's under behavioral health.
Thankfully, there are tons of great resources in West Texas if you or a loved one are struggling with addiction, and plenty of help if you are a parent trying to educate your children on the dangers. And we will have a list of some of those on our website, everythinglubbock.com, after the show.
Elizabeth, thank you very much.